Hey everyone, Mahidi Azwad Rupu here back again with another video, and today I really want to discuss about AI automation. Everyone is talking about it and everyone is waiting for someone to fix it out first. Let me show you why this might be the most expensive mistake you make this year. Okay, I get it. I get it why you are skeptical about it because everyone has heard about the stuff. AI is skeptical, AI automation is just another fluff, it's just another business model that will fade away over time, and it's for big tech companies, stuff like that. To be honest, you should be skeptical about it, and I don't blame you here because the way the marketers are marketing this and they're showing it like it works like magic. I mean, honestly, nobody wants to automate themselves out of a job. But here is what it gets interesting. McKinsey says that by 2030, up to 70% work would be automated. And Bain calls this transition a $1 trillion investment opportunity, not in 10 years, but happening right now. Okay, just throw everything out the window and let's just understand what AI automation actually is. I want you to think of it this way. Remember dishwashers when it was first introduced? When it came into our households, we didn't stop touching the dishes. We just stopped scrubbing it. That's how AI automation is going to work. Nothing different. And now I want you to get into the details. Okay, first of all, AI automation isn't just something you buy and just plug and play. It doesn't work like that. It works, but it doesn't solve a specific core problem. If you want to solve a specific core problem, you have to dive deep into the processes of your systems. And here is what's wild. Humans don't become useless when robots are handling the boring stuff. They become much better. When AI handles data entry, you're not typing anymore. You're just deciding, is this customer really upset? Or is this customer going to buy our product? Should we prioritize this offer? And these tiny judgment calls make your business run smoothly, very smoothly, because the boring stuff is done by AI and the critical judgment calls is done by a human. Once these two get combined, it becomes a massive, efficient ball. And this ball will take your company way further than you would normally think without using AI automation. How? Think about compound effect, the cliche example. Think of it like a snowball. And once it has reached to the bottom, you will notice that it has become a bigger ball. Why? It has collected snow in the meantime, in the process, through the journey, and your company using AI automation will work like that exactly. Thirdly, which is the most interesting thing to me, AI automation not only bring efficiency to the table, it brings big amount of customer feedback data to your table. How? Let's imagine you have integrated an assistant. This assistant helps you book calls, answer questions, and generate more leads. Behind these three processes, a lot of work is going around which is done by the AI, and you don't have to worry about it. But what AI will do is it will analyze customers' feedbacks and customers' necessities. While you are reading those AI articles and commenting is just another fluff, it's just another business model, your competitor just made another million. Okay, not another million, but saved another $1,000. How? That's the big question you should ask yourself. You see, implementing these systems doesn't require thousands of dollars. It just requires your permission. Once you have made the mindset of putting it into work, it will work like magic because the more stuff you share about the company, the better it is going to perform. Just simply think about how your competitor is saving another 5K because he is doing the boring stuff through AI. He is automating the stuff he was worried about doing in the morning. He is not looking at the email screen. He is not worried about how will I handle those conversations today because I had a very rough day. That's it. Very simple. Lastly, I just want to say start with one experiment, see it yourself, and I will see you in the next one.